In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an FTP account in cPanel. First, go ahead and log into your cPanel dashboard. This is the main control panel for your hosting account, and it's where you manage important website settings, files, email, and user access. Once you're inside, take a moment to look over the home page so you can easily find the section you need. Next, scroll down until you see the Files section. In this area, click on FTP Accounts. This page allows you to create and manage separate FTP users, which is especially useful if you want to give someone access to upload or edit files without sharing your main hosting login. Using a dedicated FTP account is generally a cleaner and safer way to control file access. On the FTP Accounts page, start by entering a login name for the new account. This will become the username used to connect through an FTP client. After that, select the correct domain if your hosting account includes more than one. Make sure you choose the domain that matches the website or folder this account should be connected to. Then create a password for the account. If your cPanel offers a password generator, it's a good idea to use it so the password is strong and difficult to guess. A secure password helps protect your website files from unauthorized access. If you store the password anywhere, make sure it's kept in a secure place. After that, set the directory path. This step is very important because it controls which folder the FTP user can access. For example, you might use a path like public/html your folder if you want to limit access to only one specific directory. Restricting the account to a particular folder is a good practice when you only want that user to work in one area of the site. You'll also see an option to set a quota. This determines how much disk space the FTP account can use. You can assign a storage limit if needed, or leave it based on your hosting setup and how much access you want to allow. This can be helpful for managing storage and preventing unnecessary file uploads. Once everything looks correct, click Create FTP Account. Your new FTP user will then be created and ready to use. That's it. You've successfully created an FTP account in cPanel with controlled access to a specific directory and a defined storage limit if needed. This is a simple but important part of managing website access safely and efficiently.